can you define what is meant by content process automation for those who may not be as familiar with the term and the concept?
Yeah, so I mean, there's manual content process automation, but we will only really focus today based on the conversation we're having about AI and customer experience with where AI fits in content process automation. So content process automation is enhancing the way content moves through your organization from creation through to management and distribution in an automated way to allow teams to focus more on the strategic and creative priorities they have to deal with instead of manually moving documents and content and assets and images around the organization manually. So it's that automation of the flow of work aligned with your business processes.
Got it. And so, what are some ways that AI can be beneficial here, and how does that differ from how things may currently be done?
So, I mean, it's interesting. The spectrum moves from the current ways of working, which is people just literally still emailing files around to one another.
Right.
So there's still a lot of us still doing that. I think the likes of Box and Dropbox and others have sort of taken that a little bit further. But if we think about automating, if you take that next step on, you'll see there's tools like SharePoint and others doing general document management to try and route documents to the right person in a workflow. But really where AI can start to make a difference there is instead of manually drawing to create these workflows in low code tools that mean you have to understand a little bit of task management and a little bit of coding and scripting. AI really is now starting to be able to automatically just learn what you're doing from you manually doing it for the first time, and then it can automatically start routing that information to the right people at the right time by learning how you're doing it. Or you can also have an administrator teach it for the first time the right ways of scheduling and publishing this content. And again, the AI will then automate some of those processes for you. So that's what we're seeing happen now.